Okay, we're here in Woodstock to go to Kelsey's. We as in Ty and Ray again. We're coming for this like world famous hamburger, man. Fucking burger. It's gonna be great. Then we're going to Bannockburn. Yay! Yay! Cool. Stupidest fucking thing in the world. Let's build roundabouts.
Mm-hmm. Where are we going?
What the hell do you do?
Strike.
I guess that means go. Okay, all right.
Trying to figure these fucking roads out.
St. Mary's was that way, but we're gonna trust that he's right about Exeter.
Elgin Field. No, that's I don't know. Right now it doesn't even want to do that. It just wants to chill out on the street. That's an interesting old church. This thing works pretty well in the low light. Any comments, Pete?
It's kind of sucky with the rain, but it's just light, but still kind of. At least we're not freezing our asses to death.
No.
Could be nicer, but
Could be nicer, but yeah. Could be worse.
okay, ready? Oh fuck, let's get out of here.
Oh, that was awesome.
Right behind home. So
Behind Hensel?
Yep.
Back to Hensel, eh?
Oh, we're gonna go straight through.